this is Mamta. Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you guys how I do this very glam, beautiful, colorful makeup look using all the affordable product. Very cheap and easy to available. So if you guys wanna know how I create this look and what product did I use to create this makeup look, then please keep on watching. So for the primer, I'm going to use this Maybelline Master Primer. It's a hydrating primer, perfect for if you have dry skin. I'm going to apply this especially on my T-zone area. So if you guys like तपाईहरुलाई primer लगाएको मन पर्दैन or तपाईहरुलाई primer लगाउन जरुरी जस्तो लाग्दैन भने you can always go for like moisturizer. And next affordable foundation भनेको चाहिँ of course Maybelline. मेरो चाहिँ यो एकदमै मन पर्ने फाउन्डेसन हो. मेरो सेट चाहिँ 130 मा छ. यो चाहिँ Maybelline 24 Super Stay फाउन्डेसन अनि 130 सेट है त. एन्ड मैले चाहिँ मेरो फाउन्डेसन ब्लेन्ड गर्नको लागि चाहिँ यो रियल टेक्निकको स्पोन्ज लिएको छु. यो पनि एकदमै सस्तो छ. म सबै प्राइसहरु चाहिँ मेरो स्किनमा लेखिदिएको हुन्छु है त. मेरो अनुहार चाहिँ हल्का अलिक सानो सानो छ, त्यही भएर चाहिँ मैले एक पम्प लिँदा पनि पुग्छ मलाई. यदि तपाईहरुको अनुहार एकदमै ठुलो गोलो खालको अनुहार एन्ड धेरै दागहरु छ अनि धेरै कुराहरु छोप्नु छ भने चाहिँ you can always go for another pump, but मेरो लागि चाहिँ ठिकै छ. And I'm going to blend like this. So concealer को लागि पनि म यो Maybelline को Fit Me concealer लगाउँदै छु. It's in the shade 10 light. So I'm going to focus this area right here. And again blending with my beauty blender. So at the same time म मेरो आँखालाई पनि यसरी प्राइम गर्छु same concealer ले. So next I'm going to take this Maybelline loose powder. I'm going to set just like this. So next for my brow I'm going to take this Etude House drawing eyebrow. It's in the number 3 dark brown. So it comes with a brush and pencil. So as always I'm going to draw my eyebrow. पछाडी चाहिँ अलिक चुच्चो चुच्चो अनि अगाडि चाहिँ हल्का लाइट कलरको बनाउँछु. Oh damn. Etude House को eyebrow को लागि चाहिँ यदि तपाईले Etude House मै किन्यो भने चाहिँ it's around SKD 38 or 28 something like that, but then pharmacy हरुमा किन्यो भने चाहिँ I think it's below SKD $20 something like that. एकदमै राम्रो छ. But then पहिला मैले यो eyebrow पेन्सिल चाहिँ युज गरेको थिए, एकदमै धेरै युज गर्थे पहिला चाहिँ. अनि मैले एनास्टेसियाहरु बेनिफिटको युज गरेपछि फेरि यो मैले छोड्दिएको. So I think it's okay according to the price. यो चाहिँ राम्रो छ. So again I'm going to take the same concealer अनि त्यसपछि म हल्का मेरो अलिकति मेरो हातमा लिन्छु. And I'm going to clean up my eyebrow and hide my mistakes. And don't forget to blend. So अब चाहिँ eyeshadow को लागि पनि यसरी सेट गर्ने पहिला हाम्रो आँखालाई. So अब चाहिँ eyeshadow गर्ने eyeshadow कस्तो गर्ने भन्ने मलाई थाहा छैन भन्ने हामीलाई लागिरहा. So for my eyeshadow I'm going to take this ColourPop Sweet Talk eyeshadow palette and I'm going to take this color right here, the darkest color from the palette, and I'm going to create transition color first right here, just like this. Now I'm going to take my same concealer and I'm going to cut my crease. So blend with the same dark color. हामीले blend गरिसकेपछि यस्तो खालको देखिन्छ हल्का. And then now again I'm going to take this pink right here from the Morphe James Charles artistic palette, mini artistic palette. So now I'm going to add this color in my outer corner and inner corner and blend it really well. So to fill this gap, I'm going to take this color right here from the same palette again. Center of my eye. So make sure you blend it really well. So now to make it my blue color more like sparkly and pop out dekhaunako लागि चाहिँ I'm going to take this glitter. It's from Etude House and pop it a little bit right here. And now I'm going to take the dark color and smoky effect. Again, I'm going to take this glitter from Etude House and I'm going to highlight in my inner corner. So for the eyeliner, I'm going to take this Kiss Me eyeliner. Your eyeliner is ekdam smooth, so you can find it in like at Warsan, Sasa or pani paउँछ यो. And I'm going to line my eye. This is so precise and easy to apply. So next is contour. You guys already know I love this contour. This is from Rimmel and it's very cheap also because एकदमै pigmented छ अनि राम्रो पनि छ, easily available. यति भएपछि हामीलाई अरु के चाहियो र न. Look at this, how pigmented. So if you think like तपाईको contour चाहिँ एकदमै धेरै भयो भने चाहिँ you can always go with beauty blender and dab like this. And again blush from the same palette. If you guys want to make your face like long and chuchu halko face lamo oval बनाउनु छ भने you always go like this. But if you want to make your face look more chubby, cute देखाउनु मन छ, go round and round. Okay. Don't forget here. Last is highlight. And again I'm using this highlighter. Look at that. And a bit on my cupids also. So for the lipstick, I'm going to take this Milani lipstick. It's in the shade बिर्स्यो मैले. So this is our final look. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.